everyone. Welcome sa batch 40 of the online SEO bootcamp, SEO GEO bootcamp by Pinoy SEO. Let me share. I am your main SEO coach. My name is Rene Leandro Padilla.
So, hello everyone. My name is Daniel Marie Patagan. I'm from Lucena, Quezon Province.
I'm Martin Labong po from Pampanga, Angeles City. Work ko po.
Ako po si Lester Castro, taga Quezon City. Ang work ko po is...
Hi everyone, I'm Dana Face of Daryl, but you can call me Dan. I'm 25 years old from Iligan City, Lanao del Norte. And I graduated.
My name is Tresha, from Davao City, and currently working.
I am Jensen Leia Sumagang. I'm from Bohol.
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Immaculate. So I'm from Liloan, Cebu, and
Hi, I'm Saudi from Iligan City, dahil sa Santiago. And
everyone, my name po is Giancarlo Reyes, but you can call me Carlo po, and I am 23 years old. And
good evening, Coach. Rowena Bautista. I'm 60 years old.
60.
Hello, good evening, Coach. I'm Christine, so I'm from Cebu. So I've been.
My name is Bema, 29 years old po. So regarding po sa SEO self.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harley Carbonell from Iligan also. Currently,
hi everyone. Good evening. So I'm Karen K. Gonzalez from Lipa City, Batangas. So I'm.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am Trelemin Pilambokan po from Davao. And
Coach, good evening, everyone.
Yes, good evening.
My name is Martes from Davao, and I am currently.
I'm Jonathan Alonzo, digging from Calamba City, Laguna, and currently.
I'm Jed Flores, and I'm from Calamba City, Laguna din po.
Hi everyone, so I'm Noreen. I'm an SEO specialist for more than 2 years.
So,
yes, hello.
I'm Mia from Pangasinan.
Hi everyone, so I'm Eloy. I'm from Prairie QC. So
hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, Coach. Good evening. I'm Billy Buenafe from Batangas City.
Ira Garcia, please.
Hi, sir. Good evening, everyone.
So my name is Micah. I'm 23 years old, and I just recently graduated.
Okay, Joseph Lester Baksarsa, please. Sir.
Okay, actually, sir, I'm a student of batch 39.
39?
Yes.
I'm Carissa Jane Warla, Talisay City, Cebu po.
Good evening po. My name is Hasser from Cebu City.
Good evening. Good evening sa lahat. I'm Derek Tura from Toledo, Cebu.
And Vincent Montanier.
Coach, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So I'm Girlie Aliaba Bilunoa, currently residing in Davao City, and I work.
My name is Luke. I'm from Quezon City.
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm Rosel Berlasa, but you can call me Rose na lang.
Good evening. I'm Apple Barreto from Lapis, Quezon, and I'm.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Coach. So I'm Ian Emmanuel Bucatea. I'm from Danao City, Cebu. And for
hello, Coach. Good evening. I'm Raymond. Currently taga Davao City. Currently.
Yes, hello.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dominic Francisco from Danao City, Cebu.
Jezreel Villamayor, please.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Jezreel Villamayor. Previously worked.
My name po is Antonio Panoy Jr. From Ormoc City, Leyte po.
Alright, Jezanaya. Is this right? Sotelo, please.
Hello po. Yes, that's right. But I also go with. I also go by Jazz, so that's cool.
Right.
I'm from Pasay, and I work as an AI.
Good evening, everyone.
Evening.
So I am Sarah Michelle Parel from Sampaloc, Manila. Currently
Good
employed.
evening, Coach. My name is Trixie Kate B. Caminalas, but you can call me Kate. I am currently residing in Lahog, Cebu City.
Hello guys.
Yes.
So I'm Christian. I'm 29. I'm actually a retired OFW/seafarer.
Yes, so. Hello, Coach. Good evening po. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jason po, no? I'm from Balamban, Cebu po. Current